Hey there, welcome back to our channel Stoic Stream. Have you ever wondered how a simple phrase can completely change the way a woman feels about you? Imagine saying something that lights up her eyes, brings out a genuine smile, or creates a memory she'll cherish forever. That's the incredible power of words. When used thoughtfully, the right words can touch her heart, spark desire, inspire trust, and build a deeper connection. In today's video, we'll cover how to use words strategically to spark attraction, strengthen emotional bonds, and intensify the chemistry between you and the woman in your life. We'll dive into specific phrases, learn when to say them, and discover how to create an irresistible atmosphere of attraction. If you're already intrigued by this idea, hit that like button right now. It not only helps me create more content for you, but also helps others discover these valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. And of course, share this video with a friend who could use some help stepping up their communication. Game now, let's get started. The power of words. Have you ever thought about how much impact your words can have? The right phrase delivered at the right time can create moments a woman will never forget. It's not just about complimenting her looks or saying something charming. It's about using words that make her feel deeply valued and connected to you. For lesson number 1 example, instead of saying "you look nice," you could say "the way you've styled your hair today is stunning. It's impossible not to notice you." This kind of compliment stands out because it's specific and shows that you're paying attention to the details. Women often appreciate this attention because it makes them feel truly seen and understood. When your words have meaning behind them, they can evoke emotions that are both powerful and long-lasting. Words can inspire trust, spark excitement, and strengthen emotional bonds. They're more than just tools of communication. They're bridges that connect two hearts. The key is to be authentic and intentional. Think about what you truly admire about her and put that into words. It's not about rehearsing lines or using cliches. It's about creating a genuine moment where she feels appreciated for who she is. When you master this skill, you'll notice how much closer it brings you. Words become your secret weapon for deepening attraction and connection, making her feel uniquely special in your presence, building anticipation. One of the most powerful ways to create desire is by building anticipation. Women love the feeling of curiosity and excitement, and you can easily tap into that with your words. The trick is to hint at something wonderful without revealing too much, leaving her intrigued and eager to know more. For example, you might say, "I have a special surprise planned for us later, and I can't wait to see your reaction." Or you could mention, "I've been thinking about something exciting we can do together, and I know you'll love it." Statements like these plant a seed of curiosity in her mind, making her imagine the possibilities. This approach not only shows that you're thoughtful and care about creating memorable experiences, but also creates a sense of adventure. Anticipation builds excitement, and excitement leads to stronger connections. The key is timing. Don't overuse these phrases or they'll lose their charm. Instead, sprinkle them into your conversations at moments when you want to enhance the connection. The right timing amplifies the impact, making her look forward to being with you even more. When she's filled with curiosity and excitement, her emotional bond with you deepens. Naturally, she begins to associate you with positive feelings and unforgettable moments. By building anticipation, you're not just creating attraction, you're laying the foundation for a meaningful and lasting connection. Words that build emotional intimacy. If you want a relationship to thrive, emotional intimacy is a must. It's not enough to just be physically present. You need to connect with her on a deeper level. The good news: words are a powerful way to strengthen that emotional bond. Women value vulnerability and sincerity. Sharing your feelings and showing admiration for who she is can make her lesson number 2 feel deeply connected to you. For example, saying, "You're the only person who makes me feel this way," or "I never thought I could connect so deeply with someone until I met you," lets her know that she holds a special place in your life. These phrases convey exclusivity, which is essential for emotional intimacy. When she knows she's irreplaceable in your eyes, her trust in you grows. Another effective way to build intimacy is by recognizing and appreciating her qualities, beyond her appearance compliments. Like, I admire your courage in facing challenges, or what I love most about you is your authenticity. You're always true to yourself. Show that you see her for who she truly is. Emotional intimacy isn't about grand justice. It's about creating moments where she feels seen, heard, and valued. With the right words, you can create a safe space where she feels comfortable opening up to you, strengthening the bond between you. Subtle expressions of desire. Desire is an essential part of attraction, but expressing it the right way is crucial. Subtlety and respect go a long way in making her feel both desired and appreciated. Instead of using overt or generic compliments, focus on her unique qualities. For example, say, there's something about your gaze that completely captivates me. It's like time stops when I look into your eyes. Or, I love how your hand feels in mine. It's like we were made for each other. These phrases strike a balance between passion and elegance, showing that you admire her without making her uncomfortable. Subtle expressions like these make her feel cherished and respected, while leaving room for intrigue. It's important to remember that timing and tone are just as vital as the words themselves. Use these phrases in Lesson 3, moments of closeness, or when you're sharing something special together. This ensures your words feel authentic and natural, enhancing their impact. When you combine subtle expressions of desire with genuine admiration, you create an atmosphere of connection that's hard to resist. It's not just about physical attraction, it's about showing her that she's truly special in your eyes. Compliments. Beyond appearance. Physical. Compliments are nice, but they only scratch the surface of what truly resonates with a woman. If you want to make her feel valued on a deeper level, focus on qualities that reflect her character, personality, and actions. These types of compliments show that you see her for more than just her looks, which builds trust and emotional intimacy. For example, instead of saying you're gorgeous, try something like, I admire your strength and how you always face challenges head on. It's inspiring to see how determined you are. Or, what I love most about you is your kindness. You have a way of making everyone feel special. These statements highlight her inner qualities, making her feel appreciated for who she truly is. When you notice and call out the little things that make her unique, you strengthen her self-esteem and confidence. Acknowledging her efforts, such as saying, the way you stayed calm and handled that situation was amazing, shows her that you're paying attention and value what she brings to the table. These compliments also create a space where she feels safe being herself. When a woman knows she's valued for her essence and not just her appearance, she becomes more open, vulnerable, and connected to you over time. This builds a stronger and more meaningful relationship by going beyond the surface with your words. You set yourself apart from others who only focus on appearances. You're showing her that you recognize her true worth, which deepens the bond and makes your connection feel truly special, emphasizing her uniqueness. Every woman wants to feel special, and one of the best ways to create that feeling is by emphasizing her uniqueness. When you show her that she stands out in your eyes, you make her feel irreplaceable, a quality that's incredibly attractive. For instance, saying, I've never met anyone like you. There's something about your energy and the way you carry yourself that's absolutely captivating. Tells her she's one of a kind. These words go beyond generic compliments. They're personal and meaningful. You can also highlight moments that make her unique. For example, the way you light up when you talk about your passion is amazing. It's one of the things I love most about you, or I've never seen someone combine confidence and humility the way you do. It's inspiring statements like these make her feel seen and appreciated for the qualities that set her apart. When you focus on her individuality, You're telling her that she's not just another person in your life. She's someone extraordinary. This creates a sense of exclusivity, which builds emotional intimacy and strengthens the connection between you. Remember, it's not just about saying the words, it's about truly believing them. When your compliments come from a genuine place, they have a much greater impact. She'll feel your sincerity, which will make your bond even more meaningful. By emphasizing her uniqueness, you make her feel truly special, something every woman desires in a relationship. This not only strengthens your connection, but also sets the foundation for a deeper, lasting partnership. Mastering the art of words isn't just about knowing what to say, it's about understanding how and when to say it. By choosing your words carefully, you can create a magnetic connection that goes beyond the surface, building trust, intimacy, and irresistible attraction. If you're ready to transform your conversations and create unforgettable moments, take action now. Click the first link below this video to access proven phrases that can elevate your connection to the next level. These words have the power to make her see you as the man she's always dreamed of. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips that can improve your relationships and communication skills. Let's continue growing together, and I'll see you in the next video.